Hello friends, today we will discuss about the second chapter, that is finite automata. Finite automata is also called as a mathematical model as well as finite state machine. Today we will see the two types of a finite automata, that is DFA and another one is a NFA. Okay. See here, the DFA means what? Deterministic finite automata. Now the deterministic finite automata has 5 tuples which are shown by M. M is equal to Q summation delta Q0 F, where Q is nothing but the finite set of states. Summation is the finite set of input alphabets. Delta, that is called as a transition mapping function which maps Q cross summation gives you Q, and the Q0 is nothing but the initial state, as well as F is a finite set of final states which is the subset of a Q. Now we will see the examples which are depends upon the DFA. First we see the example. Stop.